Hey there folks, my name is Alex. My partner Megan and I wanted to fill our lives with experience, so we moved into our van Betty and hit the road. When we realized how much more we can do while living out of a van, we decided to go all in for the long run. After 6 months of living in the van and traveling around, we've decided we want to completely rethink, redesign, upgrade, and improve our van. We're doing a full rebuild. This is the Alex Build Stuff Show. It's the show where I build stuff and I show you.
Well, hey, welcome back. I'm Alex. This is the Alex Build Stuff Show. That right there is Betty. That is the van that I have been working on for the past 4 months tirelessly to get a dream back up on the road and rolling once again. In today's episode, which is the final episode of the Betty van build series, I'm going to do a quick recap of 4 months in under 10 minutes. So, buckle up, get ready, it's going to get crazy, and enjoy. Well, there you have it. 4 months of work in under 10 minutes. It was a lot of work. If you guys have been with us for all of the episodes and have watched everything that we've posted about this build, Megan, I just want to say thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you guys watching and commenting and sharing and whatever else you've been doing. We really, really appreciate your support. And if you've just found us and watched this video and want to see a lot more build stuff, the various stages of a build such as this, and lots of tips and tricks along the way, make sure to head on back to the start of the series to watch everything right on through, because there's a lot of information there that might be really helpful to you. From this point on, it's just going to be adventure. We've got a little van tour coming up next, and then a small little mission out to a lake that's close to us, and after that, we're heading out for the entire winter. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate all of you guys following along. And remember, until next time, keep on roaming. Later.